How to use AI to improve your health. Technology is transforming every part of our lives, and our health is no exception. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer reserved for just scientists and tech experts. It's built into the apps and devices we use every day, and it can help us make smarter choices about our health. AI uses data and clever algorithms to help us make better decisions. In health, that means analyzing patterns in our habits, workouts, sleep, and nutrition to give us personal insights. It's like having a digital coach that can help you make decisions about what you need to stay on track. Here are some simple ways that you can start to use AI to support your well-being. Personalized fitness apps that can adapt your workouts to your progress and goals. Nutrition tracking tools that can analyze your meals and suggest healthier alternatives. Sleep and stress management apps that can monitor your patterns and offer tailored advice. Wearable devices that track your heart rate, steps, and recovery to help you stay balanced. There are simpler ways to use it as well. If you want to know what nutrition is in a certain food, just ask AI, and then ask it to help you come up with 3 recipes that use that ingredient. I tried this with an AI app, and I'm going to tell you what I got as results. So I have my computer here, and I want to share with you how I used one of these apps. So I typed into an AI app, you can use whatever one is your favorite, what are the key nutrients in blueberries? And it gave me back a 1-cup serving of raw blueberries is a great source of antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and other nutrients. And it went into detail about each of these ingredients. I'm not going to read you the whole thing. Now I could also get that by typing that into the internet, of course. But when I did it with AI, it gave it back to me in 1 second. And then I went further and I said, well, how can I use these blueberries throughout my day? So it made a suggestion. It said, gave me 3 breakfast ideas of simply topping something like oatmeal, cereal, or yogurt with blueberries, or even cottage cheese. Then it said you could blend them into smoothies. It also said you could use them into baked goods, so stir them into pancakes, waffles, muffins. You could use them to make overnight oats and yogurt parfaits. So it went beyond breakfast, and it gave me lunch ideas of how to use it in salads and how to use it in salad dressing, how to use it in a sandwich or a wrap. And then it gave me dinner ideas of how to make a compote out of it so that I could use it as a blueberry sauce or a chutney, or how to make a salsa that included fresh blueberries. It went on to give me snack ideas and dessert ideas. So it just gave that all back to me in 2 seconds. So if you're looking for ways to improve your health with AI, there are so many different ways that you can try using it. Experiment and see what happens for you. If you want to try a Mediterranean diet, or even to try going vegan, you can ask your AI app to give you a 7-day meal plan so you can see what that would look like for you. And then you can ask it to create a shopping list out of that meal plan, and then you can also limit it with how many calories you want to eat per day. So the possibilities right now seem like they're endless. Another way you can use AI is in your workouts. So for example, if you want to build up to taking 10,000 steps a day, you can ask AI to create a walking plan for you that slowly gets you up to your goal. AI can help you stay consistent, track your progress, and make informed choices. It can save you time and keep you motivated as you learn to use it in your own personalized way. So it can help you turn those small daily actions into long-term healthy habits. There are some things to keep in mind, and this is the disclaimer part of this video. AI can be a powerful tool, but it should never be used as a replacement for professional medical advice. Use it as a supportive guide to help you stay accountable and aware, while still checking with your healthcare provider as needed. Do not use it to diagnose or treat any ailments. Leave that to the professionals, so always check with your doctor. Improving your health doesn't have to be complicated. With the help of AI, you can make small, consistent changes that lead to big results over time. The key is to start where you are, use the tools available, and keep moving forward 1 step at a time. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!